FOOSA is a big, major international music festival. FOOSA stands for Fresno Opera and Orchestra Summer Academy, and it started with us the idea of doing an opera in the summer at Fresno State. We have our FOOSA Philharmonic, or what we call the FOOSA Full Day, where students from all over the world, over 100, we have 105 students this year joining the festival from all over the world, literally from China, from Korea, from Europe, and of course all over the United States, including Puerto Rico, and this year even a student from Cuba. So really an international music festival. Everybody together joins to play very difficult pieces that otherwise you will not be able to do, also because the orchestration requirements are so big, the orchestra is so big, so we can do special pieces that require very large orchestras. We also have our half-day program, which is meant mainly for local students. They're all from the area here. And what is beautiful about that is that they have their own faculty, but in addition to that, every member of the strings, for example, in the FOOSA Philharmonic, goes and volunteers for an hour, 2 hours a day to help out with our younger members. So you have this roll down of inspiration where we have our international faculty that come and teach our older students, and then they in return go and teach the younger students. So we're building a stronger sense of community within our festival. And what is special about FOOSA is that in addition to having a large orchestra, we also focus on individuals, and every student gets a daily lesson. Every single day of the festival you get a 30-minute lesson, and then you also have sectionals where you work within your section, and then in the afternoon you have a full symphony orchestra rehearsal. And then in the evenings we have student showcases, we have a concerto competition, we have a faculty recital, and then of course the culmination of the festival is a concert in Disney Hall of the FOOSA Philharmonic, and then a concert here in Fresno at the Saroyan Concert Hall of both our half-day students and our FOOSA Philharmonic. What it does best is bringing people together. People ask me many times, why do I do music? And I say, I do music for world peace. And FOOSA is the ultimate example of that, because on the first day of FOOSA you have children age literally 5 and 6 all the way up to our oldest faculty member who's going to be 77 this year. And it brings everybody together regardless of where they come from, regardless of their language, regardless of their sexual orientation, regardless of anything. And it just brings everybody together. And it just makes this harmonious event. And we do it through music, because music is not using a regular language. We musicians claim that music is a language, but for us it is a unifying tool. It's a unifying language that we all get to express together, and it just brings everybody together.